Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm giving you a complete beginner-friendly overview of how to create Facebook ads from start to finish. Even though this is a short introduction, it will guide you through the essential steps you need before diving deeper into the full course. Ready to learn how Facebook ads really work? Let's get started. First, log into your Meta Ads Manager. This is where all your campaigns, ad sets, and ads are created and managed. Once you're inside, click the Create button to start building your new campaign. Facebook will now ask you to choose your objective. This is an important step. Your objective tells Facebook what you want. Do you want traffic, leads, sales, engagement? Pick the one that matches your business goal. Next, you'll move into the ad set level. This is where you define your audience and targeting. You can choose specific locations, ages, genders, interests, or even custom audiences like website visitors or email subscribers. Facebook's targeting is incredibly powerful, so choose carefully based on who you want to reach. After choosing your audience, set your budget and schedule. You can choose a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Make sure to start with something comfortable, especially if you're still testing. Remember, Facebook ads run on a learning system, so patience is key. Now it's time to create your actual ad. This is where you add your image or video, write your primary text, headline, and call to action. Make sure your creative is eye-catching and aligned with your brand. Ask yourself what will make someone stop scrolling and click. Visuals matter, but so does your message, so keep it simple, clear, and persuasive. Once your ad looks good, double-check everything and click Publish. Your ad will go into review, and once approved, it will start running based on the settings you chose. And that wraps up our short, clear introduction to creating Facebook ads. In the full course, we explore advanced targeting, retargeting, custom conversions, A/B testing, ad scaling strategies, and more. So if you're ready to take your Facebook advertising skills to the next level, stick around for the full lessons. Thanks for watching.